Let's go over how to complete an activity in Seesaw. First of all, you need to make sure that you've clicked on the Activities tab on this menu on the right side of your screen. From here, I can scroll and see all of the activities that have been assigned to me. In each activity box, there's a title at the top and usually a set of instructions here. I also notice a play instructions button underneath the written instructions, which means that I can also listen to these directions if I click this play button. Over in this box, there will either be a picture or a video for me to look at. This is usually some type of lesson or example before I get started. Down on this activity, when I click on that box, I just see an enlarged version of the picture that goes with this activity. On this lesson, when I click on the box, I notice a play button because there are lesson videos attached. Up here, I can see that there are actually 4 lesson videos total, and this is the first one. After I watch this lesson, I can use the arrows to go view the next lesson. If I want the video full screen, I can click on the full screen button here. And when I'm ready to exit full screen, I just click on that same button again. When I'm done watching all of my lesson videos, I can X out of this box and click on Add Response to work on my practice items. If at any time you forget the directions, you can always click on the button at the top here that says View Instructions. You can rewatch the lesson videos, and you can close that when you're done with it. On the right side of the screen, I notice that this activity has multiple pages. I can click on each page individually to work on it. If you don't see this screen, you might see this button here that tells you how many pages are in this activity. This 8 means that there are 8 total pages, and I'm currently on page 4. If I click on this button, it opens up the list of all the pages, so I can again click to the page I need to work on. If I need to take a break and come back to my work later, I can always click on the draft button to save it for later. Or if I've completed everything and I'm ready to turn it in, I just need to click on the green check mark.